Welcome to Emacs India. As you know, currently most of peoples are busy and their staff do not have enough time to upload their student details completely. So for this, Emacs has brought an option for all of you through which you can share your admission link on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube along with your advertisement. With its help, your students can directly take admission on your institute by filling out that link. For that, firstly, you have to open your dashboard. Here you receive online admission link option. You just have to click on this one and you will receive a page of admission link, online admission form. Here you can select this link and copy this link and use at the time of your advertisement. And also when students receive this link, when they open this link page, they can select their own category course in which they want to admission in your institute. Just like if the student want admission in DCA course, they select the course here. Then complete page of the student details will be opened. There the student can upload his photo. He also can adjust this photo by zoom in and zoom out, and then when he click on done button, the photo will be uploaded of that student. Then he has to fill his good name. Then he has to select his gender like male, female. Then father name, mother name. Guardian type option is also available here. If any student want their husband name also will be shown in their certificates, they can select husband name here. After that, qualification they have to fill their date of birth, ID proof. They have to add their ID proof also here. They can select any ID proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license. Here we are selecting Aadhaar card for as a demo. Upload ID front side. Here we have to choose student front side ID proof. Adjust this photo and click on crop button. The front side ID will be uploaded here. Then same process will be followed for backside ID proof. Adjust this photo. Click on crop button. Photo will be uploaded. Same for admission form. Choose file. Select photo. Click on crop. Upload it. Then ID proof which you selected here, you have to mention its ID number. Then student mobile number you have to fill here. Which number student fill here? In the same number, they will receive their ID password. Through that, they can open their own ID panel. And also, there they have to mention their mail ID. In this mail ID, we will provide student notifications. Then their address they have to fill. When they fill this complete form, they have to click on I am not a robot button. Then select hereby I accept and agree to the terms and conditions. When they select all these options, they have to click on register now. When they click on register now, on your panel, there is an option of inquiry management. When you click on inquiry management, you will receive student details in this option. And if you want to follow this student, to convert this student in your student list, then you have to click on follow button. When you click on follow button, as you can see, the student details will be there completely that student filled. As you can see here, its photo, its ID proof is available here. Then if your student want to convert right now, you can select convert to student now. And if they inform you they will join your institute after a month, after a week, then you have to mention that date here. If they want to admission in your institute on 15th, you can mention this one. He is that on that day they will admission in your institute, or also here you can select from here, so that you will receive notification whenever you selected the date. After this, when you click on convert to student button, you will receive the student list in your total student list details. So here, today we learn how we can advertise your institute and how student can directly admission at your institute via filling their details by their own. So some just like that, if you have any feedback or update about our panel, please share them with us. Your feedback helps Emacs India get better. Thank you.